America's #1 selling travel trailer 13 years running. Introducing the 2019 Jayco Jayflight SLX. The SLX exterior is functional and safe. Jayco's new patent-pending J-Smart LED lighting alerts other travelers of your driving intentions, while the exterior camp kitchen gives you the convenience of prepping meals without tracking a mess inside your camper. With beautiful residential-style seamless countertops and wood-frame cabinet doors, you can enjoy the outdoors without sacrificing your favorite home amenities. Jayco also boasts the industry's strongest rated bunk beds to accommodate multiple guests. With standard American-made Goodyear tires, Dexter axles, rear backup camera prep, and solar prep, these lightweight trailers cater to a wide range of family sizes and tow vehicles. The 2019 Jayco Jayflight SLX, America's best-selling travel trailer.